Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about freestanding lace. If you haven't had an opportunity to try this project in your embroidery machine, it is super easy. I'm going to walk you through every step. If we haven't met before, my name is Mary with Sewing for Madison. My passion is crafting and helping others learn how fun and easy it can be. So let's get started with our project today. This is an example of what we're going to be making. We are going to be making a dove Christmas ornament. You can see that it has 3 different colors in it, the white, the black, and the green here. This is another example of a freestanding lace project. This is a monarch butterfly, and you can see that it is through and through on the color. I'm going to show you how to make this one in a separate video. So let's get started with this easy Christmas ornament. The supplies that you're going to need today is a freestanding lace stabilizer. The kind that I prefer to use is a non-woven stabilizer that has a cloth-like feel. There's several different freestanding lace stabilizers. There's one that is soft and kind of shiny like saran wrap. I experimented with that particular stabilizer. I don't personally care for it, so I prefer this one. It has a mesh-like feel to it, and it seems to hold the project much better than the other kinds of freestanding lace stabilizers. So for today's project, I'll be using my Brother PE 770 in the 4x4 hoop. I've gone ahead and I've hooped my stabilizer. And with a freestanding lace project, you want to make sure that you have the exact color bobbin thread as your main thread, because you're going to be able to see both sides of the project after the stabilizer disappears. So I have my white preloaded in the machine, and I actually need to change it out to green. So I'm going to pop the green part in. With this particular machine, it has a drop-in bobbin holder, which is really nice. Okay, got my green all set. I'm gonna pop my hoop in. It's gonna stitch right on that stabilizer. Okay, great. Now it's time to switch over to the white color. Again, we want to change our bobbin thread out so that it matches the top thread. Almost done. Okay, great. Now, as you can see on the back of my hoop here, I have this green string hanging. I'm actually going to trim that. I don't want that to get sucked inside the design when we go ahead and do the stitching for the bird body. Okay, so now our design is all finished in the embroidery machine. So I'm going to remove my hoop, and here it is. Here's what it looks like. So I've gone ahead and cut out the design, and our next step is to go to a sink, okay? Or you can do it with a bowl of water. And you just want to use your fingertips and kind of peel off the edge. This is a water-soluble stabilizer, so after it gets wet, it's going to start to disappear, leaving you with a nice clean image just like this. So Here's the before, right after you cut it out of the hoop, and here is the after. Now, depending on how long that you leave it in the water, if you leave it in less time, it will have a more starchy, stiff feel. If you leave it in there longer, it's just going to be really flexible. So that's completely your preference. I hope that you enjoyed our freestanding lace project today. If you liked our video, make sure that you smash that like button and consider subscribing. Remember, I'm going to end up doing this more advanced freestanding lace project very soon. So, hope to see you again. And for now, happy crafting!